Hey everybody, welcome to the shop. Uh, we've been talking about all these stoves and all this stuff. I love them. I love lantern stove, all of them. But the upcoming project, got about it. So let's talk about it. This is a Coleman Model 220J, and how easy these 220Js are to take apart. The only one that's easier is the old 242s or the 200s. They're very simple, and I've got a video on them. But this is a 220J, and the really easy way to spot whether you've got one of this style of lanterns to take apart easy is the stem comes out the collar. Now this one's tough, and we tried to fire it in the last video that I did on the upcoming project. But let's just see how easy it is to take apart. Get us a parts tray. Throw all your stuff in it. There's the vent. It's filthy. I'm just going to set it to the side. Our glass is just dirty, but it's intact. So, now we've got this all exposed. First things first, you want to take your generator out. And you'll use a 7/16 wrench. Loosen it. Now, I suspect something's up with this generator. It needs cleaning real good. We can salvage it. But it's tough turning. Now see, that's turning easy. So we give her a good cleaning. Come on out now. Alright. Everything's moving real good in it, which is a good sign. So there's our generator and our generator nut. Put it in the parts tray. I believe, yep, a 1/2. On the bottom, under your generator, there's one nut right here, and there's a plate. No problem. This plate has actually been out before. It's upside down. So let's see what's up right here. I believe this lantern's been painted. There's paint on the bottom, and I believe the frame's been painted too. Oh Lord, what have they done? This is supposed to be a real simple operation. See if I can get this around it. Nope. Okay. So what we're going to have to do is put a little blaster on it. Blaster is always your friend. Sometimes it don't take much. Like, see, there's some running out. You just a little bit. Get it around there. This 1/2 inch. It's just not fitting together. Sometimes I try different sizes wrench. Different 1/2 inch wrenches. Let me see if I've got another half. I'll move my glass over here where it won't get broke. I've got another 1/2 inch wrench in here that may fit it a little, just slightly different. You just never know, and I've had it happen like that before. That's a 3/8. Here's a half. Here's a different half. Right here, let's try this one. Looks like that's working. They've got this plate turned upside down, and I believe they had to screw this on further than it needed to go. tell the plate's upside down because there's a lip sticking up on it. Turn in a little bit by fingers. Alright, here's our plate, which you see the way I pulled it out, it's supposed to be this way. See the lip was up, and it has for sure been painted. So I mean, you know, this may be a what do you call a good user. I'm not going to just totally restore it, but we're going to clean it up and see if we can get her running. So see, there's your burner frame came off. Now, get us a screwdriver. See if I can find it. Flathead. Go ahead and take off our, let me move this out of the way. Set it down here a minute. Go ahead and take off our valve wheel. Woo! Still holding pressure from the last time. So that's a good sign. Alright, valve's wheel was off. Turn that sideways. Scoot this back a little bit. Somebody's really been into it. And our collar's off that easy. Now, if you want to take the valve off, you just simply put this in a vise or get a friend to help you hold it. It's hard to hold and do yourself. Some people turn this upside down and put it in the vise. And clamp it and then turn the fountain. You can do that. Be very careful so you don't put this in a bind and bend your top. I'm not so sure I'm going to take the valve out. It's blowing fuel. Like I say, I'm not doing a heavy restore on this 220J. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit and we're going to make a runner out of it. That's all we're going to do. And I'll tell you the truth, even though they're good, reliable lanterns, it's not my favorite model of 220. And it may be because this is the lantern that I remember, you know, when I was a kid. It just seems sort of common, very common. But that don't mean that we don't want to fix it up and give it a good run. This, I don't even think this is the original fuel cap. That's what I'm saying. This right here lantern is, we're just going to make a runner out of it. All right, man, there it is. This is how easy it is to get down to the valve. And, you know, the rest, if you want to watch how to check valves out and all of that during my other videos, this is just a quick example to show how easy it is to field dress, for lack of a better term, a 220J Coleman. All right, man, everybody take care. I appreciate you being in the shop.